Hey teens of Lewisboro, Jane at the library, and today I'm going to show you how to make your pot of gold at the end of your rainbow St. Patrick's Day cupcake. In your kit, which you can pick up on March 15th, 16th, or 17th, those 3 days, will be a prepared chocolate cupcake, some green frosting, chocolate frosting, one Rolo, plastic knife, Airhead rainbow candy, toothpick, mini marshmallows, and some gold sprinkles for your pot of gold. So, the first thing I recommend you do is take your Rolo and a little bit of the chocolate icing. You only need a touch. You're going to put a little of that chocolate icing on the Rolo like this so that you can sprinkle on your gold and make your pot of gold. Okay? I'm going to set that aside, and then you're going to take another clean knife and frost your cupcake. So I'm taking the green frosting, and again, you really don't need a lot, and I am frosting my cupcake. And this can get a little messy. That's okay. Alrighty, so I'm frosted to my satisfaction. Now I'm going to take that knife and I want to make 2 slits in the cupcake to fit the rainbow in. So not too wide because you have to fit your marshmallows and your pot of gold, but 2 slits a little bit like that. And then you're going to take your rainbow and try to fit that in there. Now you may find that this is kind of frustrating, or you may find that you really enjoy doing this. And that's why this is more than just fun, I think. You may discover that you might have a future as a pastry chef as a career. Or you might discover this is way too delicate work for you and you don't ever want to do anything like this again. Okay, I've got my rainbow in. The rest is pretty easy. On one side, I'm arranging my mini marshmallow clouds, like that. And on the other side, I'm going to take my pot of gold and affix my pot of gold there. And there you have it, your St. Patrick's Day pot of gold at the end of your rainbow cupcake. I hope you've enjoyed this cupcake decorating adventure. I hope you have a great St. Patrick's Day, and we would love to see your decorated cupcake. Feel free to email a photo of you and your cupcake to the library, or tag us on social media. See you for our next Teen Grab and Go, whatever that may be.